So I'm deciding to make the big beanies with the chunky, I haven't got chunky yarn, but I'm mixing it now. So if you've got any that's really like 4-ply, you can mix it with another 4-ply or double knit. Get colours that kind of go together, and we'll see how this turns out. So I'm looking forward to seeing what this works up. Here we are, 10 rows in. What I do when I get to the top is the last 5 I'll go it down to a single crochet into the back loop only, but the pattern is half double crochet into the back loop only. And when we get to this end, we don't put a chain and turn, we turn and then we stack our stitches. I'll give you a quick demonstration of that now. So this is where we've been half double crochet along into our back loop only, into that one. So now we're going to single crochet to the top, last 5 or 6, just so it slims it down to the top, so when you come to turn your pom-pom hat inside out, it's a lot better to cinch at the top. So we're going into our last stitch forward, so we don't have to go into the back loop only because it's at the very top. We'll just go into the front, single crochet, and we're going to turn. So if you turn it that way, so your yarn is behind, and rather than chain 1, you actually crochet into that first stitch. So this is what gives you a lovely neat edge, and then you flip your work over so you can see your chain, and we're going into the back loop only for 5. 1, 2. So for now we're just going to crack on with this colour. I want to get this one done tonight. It's a bit weird doing them with these nails though, so I've not had them on for a few days, and then these ones are different to what I normally have with them being stick-on nails. Okay, so it's about 44 chains and 35 rows. I'm hoping that'll be enough to get around because it is stretchy. Yep. So now I'm just gonna sew this up, the back seam, and stitch it together and put my bobble on. Oh, I need some new snippers. My snippers ain't snipping. So does anybody watch, what have I been watching? Deal or No Deal? I've been watching that tonight. Oh my god, the poor girl. She just kept saying the what she obviously wanted in a box, but it kept coming up on they kept getting it out. And then she was going to be part of the 1p club, and that never happened. I can't remember how much she won now. £50 was it? Oh, I can't remember. Anyway, anywho, that was that. And then what else have I been watching? Married at First Sight, New Zealand. That's quite good. But the best one I'm watching is I'm a Celebrity. Get me out of here. So this is all the top. Whoa. And we're going to, because it tapers at the top, we're just going to pull it, and then I'm going to make it sturdy just by sewing through edge to one edge to the other, and then back over. And we're going to do our movable pom-pom buttons, but I sew the button on because you wouldn't want to lose that, would you? in the wash, but I don't know if I've ever even washed any of my hats. Because I make that many, I just change my mind anyway and wear a new one. So I keep all. Oh, so annoying. So I keep all my little pom-pom pom-pom holder buttons in a jar that I got off Amazon. Affiliate link below, you know. And I'm going to put somewhere close to the middle. Oh, I'm not going to use that one. It isn't holy. Oops. And then I've got some pom-poms off the old Amazon as well, but they haven't been floofed. See previous videos, so these have been floofed partly, and then you blow them with a hairdryer. But these have just come straight out the packet and they don't look that nice, so I'm hoping that they are nice. So I'm going to, these are out my old packet, so they've come out like that. See, these have come out like them, so I don't know, I might not bother with them. I'll maybe try and floof them up after. Right, let's have another go at this. I'll maybe take them upstairs and get the hairdryer on them pom-poms and then put them on the hats. But these ones are like, the ones I've got out tonight are like a minky colour. So I'll use them. And then this needle is one of like, it's just got a needle, but then it's got a plastic bit on the end. And it actually goes through my tags as well, so I can sew my tags on with them, which I got off somebody, I'm sure it was something by Callie. I'll also have to have a look and have a look back on my emails and link that below as well. And I need to order some more. But yeah, I really like them. Right, so that is that. I'm just going to wrap it around the button thing. Pop a knot. And another knot. There's some threads from before. I'll knot them up too. Get rid of all the ends. Oh, what's happened to they? Are they around the wrong way? I think they might have creased over the crossness. Yeah. Or they've bent. So they're not touching. Oh dear. It's my fault for using them as tools for other things. Let me get my hook. Turn it inside out. Love, 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 love. Okay. I don't want to pop it through the middle of my button because I've done it again. I'll pop it to the side of the button, up through the top, and grab a floof pom. And we're looking for the elasticy bit, is that right? say it isn't so. Have I even got one on here? Come on. Oh yeah, it is. Buried deep within. There's probably a way of working this out easier, but so we're going to pop that through that elastic, pull it through and over your button. I'm trying to be careful because I've just put these nails on, as you know. And then pop it the right way out. Fold, foldy, foldy, foldy. So the seam that I've joined together, it's not a bad seam, but put that to the back. So there, it's there, so we're putting that to the back. Flip that over. And then I'm just going to sew a little tag on. Made by yours truly. I want it around about here at the front. It's easy enough to pop it on. Leave a long tail behind, so I can use that at the end. And then I'm going to go from the inside to the outside, from the in. And I've just used one of the colours of the hat, and I think I've got enough to make another one. See, some skeins you'll find that's tight, like especially the 4-ply, there's, even though it's the same weight, isn't it, it's got more on it. So it must be like 200 metres or how many metres, I don't know. But I never really look, I never take the time to look, so I need to start being more observant. And obviously the chunky yarn, you don't get many metres with it, as many metres. So that's that. I'm just going to pop it upside down and then do a couple of knots at the back. You had a good day. Alright, and then we can just hide our threads, hide our ends, just by running it back up the back of the double crochet, half double crochet. And there we have it. Yes, I'm just going to have to make sure that I use the ends of my snippers. This is